my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song I Bless Your Name by Spirits of Praise. And it's going to be a quick tutorial because there's only one chord progression that's been played in the song. For all the different voice parts, they're just repeating the same thing. So if you can iron this down, then you're going to be able to play the entire song regardless of which part they're singing. Just know that they're still playing this melody line, right? So I bless your name, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 Right, so there's actually that melody line over there. So let's look at the chords you're playing this. So start at 1, left hand's doing a 1-5-1, right hand's doing a 2-3-5-1, left hand's doing a 2-1-2 next, right hand's doing a 3-4-6-1, but you're doing a 1 chord, then a 2 chord, or a 4 over 2, 4 being your right hand, 2 being your left hand, 4 over 2, then a 3 over 1, so left hand's playing a 3-1, right hand's playing a 2-5-1. This is your 3 chord, alright? Then you can do this passing chord right here, where left hand's doing a 6 flat, 4, 6 flat, right hand's doing a 7 to 6 flat. Because the next chord you're playing is a 6 chord, but technically you're doing here a 1 over 6. So left hand's playing a 6-3-5, right hand's doing a 1-2-3-5. You can grace that 2 into a 3 if you want. The next chord you're doing is a 5 flat, 2 5 flats in your left hand, right hand's doing a 6-2-3. But then next you're doing a 5 chord, left hand's doing a 5-2-5, right hand can do you can do a 6-7-2, where you're gracing that 6 into a 7, right? So again, just till you get to this part, it's again da 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 da, right? Da da da. Now left hand's playing a 3-1-3, right hand's doing a 5-1-2-5. Left hand's now doing a 4-1-4, right hand's doing a 3-5-6-1. That 5 gracing into the 6. 3-1-2-7-1-6. You're back at this 3 chord, where left hand's playing a 3-1-3, right hand's playing a 5-1-2-5. Left hand's now doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 6-1-5. Bless your name. So left hand's doing a 4-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-6 flat 2. Your name. You can do the stretch over here. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3-5-1-5. Or you can just do I bless your name. Or where you're literally playing that 1-3-5, or you can add the 5 over here at the bottom. But as I said, you can originally just drop this 3 an octave lower and play it like that. Bless your name. So that's literally how you play the entire song. Then you'll hear that there's some places where they do like this is more towards the end of the song, where they are not letting the song rest on the 1. It's like doing a bridge, like it's doing like a vamp. So like a vamp, it's doing a vamp where it just goes to the 5 flat, and this is what I mean. So there's a part where it goes, I bless your name, bless your name, I bless your name. Right, so what am I playing there, right? So left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1, 3. There's your name. Left hand's doing a 6 flat, 4, 6 flat. Right hand's doing a 7 to 6 flat. We're doing a 6 chord, so you can phrase it how you want. Over here I'm putting in a lot of chords, but you can leave out a bunch of these. So you see here, the main thing that you need to know that you're doing here is you're doing this, drop that, and drop that. You're doing a 6, 3, 5 in your left hand. Right hand's doing a 1, 3, 6. But obviously you can add the 5 in your right hand and add the 6 in your left hand and add the 7 in your right hand. So left hand you can do a 6, 3, 5, 6, and your right hand you can do a 7, 1, 3, 5, 6. Now left hand's going to a 5 flat, 2, 5 flat, and right hand's going to a 6, 2, 3, 5 flat, 6. Repeat. You can also just switch it up a bit with your diminished chord, your diminished chord by doing this, right? So I'm just doing different inversions. Right? So what am I doing there? So I'm just walking up and down the inversion. So if you look at this diminished chord over here, right? I'll leave this as your homework for you guys, right? So this diminished chord over here, where you're playing the 7, 2, 4, 6 flat. Just you can play it with the different versions. All that means is taking the bottom note and playing an octave higher. That's a different version. Taking the bottom note octave higher, and then you can literally just do that. So right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, stay blessed. That's been all for this song.